Hello everybody, Dr. Bob here with one of my tips, health tips I might add. Tips that help you be healthier and hopefully end up with less eye disease, degenerative eye disease as you get older. Now, this one may surprise you a little bit, and I want you all to think about it. Do drug companies advertise to make money selling drugs? Most of you, your first response is going to be, yep, that's true. And my first response is, no, it's not true. Drug companies make money. There's no question about it. Drug companies advertising on TV make lots of money, driving doctors nuts by patients going in and going, I've got that disease, I want that drug. That's not my point. The point is, why do they advertise? They advertise so that they can control the media. I don't know whether you've seen this, but a few years ago it was announced that Vioxx had killed 60,000 people and disabled another 100,000. Now, they couldn't stop the newspaper or the media reporting, but it didn't last very long. The point is, the drug companies have such advertising clout because they spend so much advertising with the major networks, whether it be Fox, CBS, NBC, ABC, whatever. So if somebody goes to report something about one of their drugs, the side effects, killing people, that everybody knows goes on, it never makes it to the light of day on the news because a lawyer from the drug companies call up and they talk to the lawyer at the media company and go, you know, that $5 billion that we spent advertising drugs last year, we're going to cut that in half if you run that story. So my point is, drug companies advertise on TV to control the media, to control the news. They don't want you to know that 125,000 people die every year from prescribed drugs, prescribed properly, I might add. They don't want you to know that, depending on whose figures you listen to, that 400 to 700,000 people are killed in hospitals by doctors, by nurses every year. They don't want it reported, so by controlling the media, by advertising, that's what they do. They also don't want you to know that about 400,000 become disabled every year. They don't want you to know that vaccines, particularly like flu vaccine, only works on 1.5 persons out of 100. That means it's worthless, and all those adjuvants that are in there that cause toxicity problems are in. So the bottom line is, why do drug companies advertise? They advertise to control the media so that you're kept in the dark and you don't understand. So if you need to stay on top, watch Dr. Bob's tips. There'll be many more to come. And I want to remind you that I do practice optometry, contact lenses, and specialty problems with kids with learning problems, special lenses for that. And it's in the Parks Mall in Arlington, Texas. And I'll be glad to come by. We'll talk about healthcare too. Thank you very much.